today is all about the promotion of women in leadership roles, particularly in facilities where it's very dominated by men, but relies very much upon women playing a very active part.
It's about empowering women and giving them the opportunity to develop. It's important to do a day like today because we need women in the division and the health board to feel supported, to be able to network and meet our leaders and people who are fantastic in their job, and just really showcase women within the division and the health board overall.
Supporting and encouraging women in leadership is absolutely crucial. Women have got so much to offer in the workplace, and really today trying to remind people to be confident, believe in themselves and always be themselves in everything they do.
I think to support women in leadership, I think it's an amazing achievement. Allow so many people to come together, to learn, network, and I think just encourage them and celebrate their careers so far and think about their careers in the future.
Really, really important to understand that women that work in the health board have started right from the beginning and worked their way up, and that it's really important to give that message that anyone can actually do that. As long as you're willing to work hard and passionate about what you do, you can achieve anything.
I think it's important to know that no matter whether you're female or male, if you can do a job and you're good at doing the job, then you should go forward and actually do the job. Believe in yourself. Sometimes I think females can be their worst critics actually, and if you feel that you can take a role or you can offer something, then go for it. Don't be your worst critic and put yourself off from going forward for it.
Think outside of the box and always ask. If you've got a supportive employer and you think outside the box and ask, then there are opportunities available for you that you may not have realised are there.
Always to listen to advice, never to be frightened of changing your mind in case you look as if you're weak, because that's not the case. It's strength that allows you to change your mind. And really, to believe you can do anything, and why shouldn't you be able to do anything?
If you've got an ambition and you want to achieve something, then absolutely go for it. The only person that's stopping you is you.
Be brave, be bold, but most importantly, be yourself. If you treat others as you expect to be sort of treated yourself, then you won't go far wrong. But it's hugely exciting to see so much potential and enthusiasm in the room, and I'm really confident and happy that I think we will have more leaders of the future, I think, that will help us deliver our services going forward.